Hi, I'm Jason Morse.
And I'm Lydia Williams, and we're here today at the U-POL Technical Training Centre in Northamptonshire.
And today is the first of a two-part video series covering the U-POL Dolphin filler range.
It's a great opportunity for me to be here to get the chance to expand my product knowledge and learn the best tips. So Jace, first of all, what is the difference between Dolphin Deep and Dolphin Medium?
Right, Liz, that's a great question. Where both fillers will cover a wide variety of different repair scenarios, U-POL Dolphin Deep is ideal for that deeper repair on a vertical surface for its shape and hold properties. Whereas Dolphin Medium is a creamier formulation and lends itself well to that shallower repair, especially on a horizontal surface where you want a little bit of self-level and flow.
Okay, so what filler are we using today then? Today's
filler of choice will be the medium.
Okay, quick question before we start. What is a U-POL filler shelf life and what is the best storage?
The shelf life of the U-POL filler is 5 years, and for best storage, it's kept in its container, sealed, out of the direct sunlight and in a cool, dry place.
Right, okay, I think we're getting there. Do you have any tips to improve process time and for a perfect finish?
We do, Liz, but before that, it's all about surface preparation, because perfect preparation allows for a perfect repair.
Okay, so how do we do that then?
So we need to thoroughly clean and dry the surface. And by doing that, we use our lint-free cloths in combination with our System 20 water-based and System 20 solvent-based degreasers.
And once we've degreased, what's the next step?
We then abrade the surface using P180 abrasive.
And after abrading, can we finally apply the filler?
No, we need to remove that sanding, dust and contaminants again by returning to the cleaning process.
And then we can mix and apply the filler.
And then we can mix and apply the filler. So first of all, we will need an onion board, some hardener and applicator. And the mixing ratio is 2% of the hardener to the filler. All right, and a good way to describe this is a golf ball size of the filler to a pea size of the hardener.
Okay, that sounds easy enough. So do you have any good tips for mixing?
Yeah, a good tip for mixing is to mix in a figure of 8 process across the board, making sure that the hardener and the filler are uniform in colour. And by using a pressing action, this will minimise air entrapment that can lead to pinholing.
Okay, so is the mixing ratio the same for Dolphin Deep and Dolphin Medium?
Yes, the mixing ratio for both is 2%, and the data for this can be found on the side of the tins or on their TDS.
Just a thought, if I wanted the filler to cure quicker, could I not just add in more hardener?
No, we would not recommend this. We would recommend using infrared to cure the filler. By overactivation, this will lead to problems within the repair.
Okay, so we've mixed the filler and hardener. Are we ready to apply now?
Yes, yep, we're ready to apply, and we'd always recommend applying to the repair area using a pressing action to reduce air entrapment.
Okay, so why is it important to reduce air entrapment? Does this reduce the risk of pinholes?
Yes, this does reduce the risk of pinholes, and by removing the air entrapment, you also get maximum adhesion to the panel with the filler.
Okay, so what happens if we do get pinholes? Are we able to fix this?
Pinholes normally occur through poor mixing or application techniques, and we'd rather prevent than fix.
Okay, so once the filler has been mixed and applied, how long do I have to wait for it to cure?
So for both fillers, Dolphin Deep and Dolphin Medium, you have between 15 and 20 minutes at 20 degrees C.
If I wanted to just speed up the process, could I use a hot air gun?
No, we would not recommend the use of a hot air gun. We'd always recommend infrared.
I'm learning a lot today. Quick question, the filler is starting to cure and the panel feels hot. What is happening here?
Okay, so the panel is getting hot because the filler is creating an exothermic reaction.
And what is an exothermic reaction?
Okay, good question. So an exothermic reaction is where the two components start to create a chemical reaction, and this creates heat.
Does adding filler to the panels make them stronger?
No, both of the fillers are designed for cosmetic use only, and they should not be used to add strength or integrity.
Okay, that makes sense.
Great, and I think the filler is cured and ready to sand.
If you want to find out more about our products and best practices, then head over to our website, upol.com.